In an effort to encourage students to contribute more to the class during my teaching sessions, I've been making use of Padlet. This is a web-driven system which allows students to add text, images and web links to a web page, which, because it instantly updates, means others in the class can see and respond to the contributions being made by their peers. Setting up a page for a class session is quick, perhaps taking about 1 minute now that I have a Padlet account. The account was free to set up, and although there is a premium option, I find I only need to use the free to operate aspects. To set up a new page for a class, I click on the New Padlet link and then change the settings so that I can select the privacy level, allowing me to password protect the Padlet. I give the password to the class and they can, as visitors, access and contribute to the page. Although some students register for a Padlet account, they don't need to, they just need to enter the URL and then the password. Another setting I sometimes change when I originate the Padlet is the URL. There is an option called Address, which allows me to give the Padlet an easy to remember name. This can help when students are typing the URL into their computers, tablets or smartphones. To share the page link easily, Padlet also creates a QR code as part of the share function, and this also helps to ease connection for some students. So how do I use the Padlet in class? I will ask students to complete some research, discuss an issue or create some new recommendations, and they post these on the Padlet. I will usually put the Padlet on the main screen so all students can see other contributions, even if they don't directly have access to the internet. I will then highlight good examples or ideas which stimulate further discussion. One example recently was a debrief session from a 2-day residential study trip which had included 5 key speakers. The students were asked to record as many ideas and facts as they could from each talk. Students could read what others had remembered, discuss and correct inaccuracies and recall and add images which further expanded the information available to all in the class. This collaborative effort thus expanded everyone's knowledge, and once the session was completed, I was able to create a PDF of the entire Padlet document, easily achieved using the share function, and post this in Blackboard for all of the students. A couple of things to know about Padlets. Firstly, as well as text, it easily allows the addition of images, whether held on computers, smartphones or from online sources. Secondly, there's an app which I use. Occasionally I will carry my iPad in class so I can walk around groups who are working on the project and highlight useful contributions being made. Finally, because students can, if they wish, join anonymously, it's possible to ask students to contribute or ask questions without them fearing they might contribute something foolish. In summary, I find this easy to use technology encourages active student engagement.